I'm baking polenta, right? Not a lot of people, right? It's usually on the stovetop, low and slow, and you stir it all day.
What's the point?
But these tubes are really great. You just grab them right from the refrigerated section, and you can do so much with these. I like cutting them in a disc, putting a little, you know, sun-dried tomato, little cheese on there, doing like quick, like little, almost like Parmesan bakes with it. But we're gonna make polenta chips. Watch me.
wow.
So you just get this tube. Now this comes already like pre-seasoned. So
But that's fully cooked, right?
It's fully cooked.
Yeah.
It's dense. You know what I mean? So it holds together. You don't have to go through all the steps of making polenta on your stovetop.
And it's very good, actually, that
It
product.
is. So we're gonna cut it in half, just like
I
this.
see what you're doing here.
All right. Now we can cut it. We got a nice stable base, 1/4-inch slices.
Like the
this, right?
mezzaluna.
Exactly. So I like to do it this way one more time.
Okay.
And we'll do it in batches here. So we're gonna do 1/4-inch slices, right? It will dehydrate in the oven.
I love this idea.
Isn't it great? So we'll do all
This is
these.
exciting.
And again, these come with, you know, there's some seasoning in there. So just check. Some of them come, you know, herb seasoning, pesto seasoning, sun-dried tomato.
But you could add cracked pepper or cayenne, right?
And this makes a perfect chip, right? It's gluten-free. For all
Is
those
it?
people out there that don't want like
Celiac.
peanut chips or something,
Yeah.
great.
Okay.
So we're gonna hit this with a little olive oil. I got my oven at 425. Okay, and these are gonna go in there first on a sheet pan. I got one ready to go. This is a Jeffrey trick that we're just so much inspiration today
know.
from you. But I have a sheet pan, hot, ready to go. Just to help kind of crisp up that bottom as soon as you put on there, right? That's a great oven-loving trick, right? Is preheat your sheet pans to get double action crispage going on. We're gonna spray with a little nonstick here. No seasoning again required.
Because they're seasoned.
Because they're seasoned, they're tasty. Make sure everything's flat. You don't got any, you know, stacked pieces here to impede
layer.
chippage. So this is going in a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. We are gonna flip it for another 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. And at the end, add a little parm on there.
Oh.
Give it a little cheesiness and bake for another 5 to kind of bring it all together. I got some ready to go.
Oh, baby.
I know you didn't expect them to look like this, but look,
Wow.
that looks so good. Beautiful transformation.
Adorable.
Aren't they cute? So you see how that cheese, look at, don't neglect all those cheese Krispies that kind of fell down there.
I'm so making me.
And we got a little side of marinara sauce here, a little red, I mean, you can go crazy. Do a pesto dipping sauce with this, do a ranch dipping sauce.
This is going to be on your pool party.
It's like polenta gum in the back of my mouth. I really love this, especially with the little sprinkle of cheese. I could see this being, like you said, flavored up with all
And
kinds
it
of different
tastes
things.
deep fried.
The oven did make it taste like we fried it, so you know I'm happy. That's delicious, Jeff.